Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay. Now, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with NX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, guys, right from this support zone, it started an uptrend and we can see the movement. It went straight up till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there. However, if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then we are most likely to see more of a downtrend right from there. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, this is Gain Next 999. This also started an uptrend right from this support region, and you can see it going up and up. I actually posted a signal on this yesterday, even though the movement was so slow that it is still following up the signal till now. Okay, however, the first TP has been achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, fourth chip TP has also been achieved. This is so amazing. For those that are in the Telegram channel, congratulations to you all. Okay, so this is still buying. We expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. We actually milked this particular asset 2 days ago, stroke yesterday, where when we analyze it and of course went for a buy signal. Okay, it's bought till it got to this particular resistance, so it has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend, but it is yet to break out below this. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity, more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this. But if it does not and it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect more selling right from there. Okay, and next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is Paynex 999. This also had been on uptrend for long, got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, pull back, and of course went back up again, still pull back multiple times. Right now, it is still going back up again to see if it will be able to break out from the resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it's going to sell right from there. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is very, very important. So FX volume 80 is the next asset, which is going to be the last asset for today. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone. We can see the uptrend signal and it has been buying since then. Played around there for a while, but broke out above the resistance zone to buy more. It has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, even though it might not be for long, but it is still buying at the moment, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you are not on the Telegram channel, kindly join right away so that you too can also benefit from the free signals that have been posted there. Okay, I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.